Hello guys, before we start, I have a fun fact for you. So, did you know that Netflix saves almost around $1 billion each year by just recommending the right shows to its users? Did you know that? And if yes, how Netflix can actually come up with that, right? Same thing was for Amazon Prime as well. Great. Now, hi guys, this is Ranjit Kumar. I'm part of Kunidena Classroom. I'm your data science tutor. So in this video, we'll be learning a lot of things about data science, but not completely in depth. We'll be learning on what data science actually can give us. And if you are someone who is looking to jump into data science, what's the roadmap? Okay. So everything related to that will start. Okay. So I just hope that we get started with high energy. Okay. I hope everyone are enthusiastic. So, yep, let's get started. So, what is data science, right? So the agenda for today's video is that we have four different things. Okay, one is introduction to data science, the other one is data science roadmap, job opportunity, and how to enroll. Okay, so let me start with an introduction to data science. Okay, so you guys, I told you about a particular scenario where Netflix actually saves up around $1 billion. I mean, $1 billion per year. Okay, just by recommending movies to its right users, right? So how it's even possible? How it's actually being done? That's something which data science has to say. Okay. So before starting, I'll just tell you a very simple introduction to data science. Okay. I'll give you a simple scenario. Okay. So let's say you are a late comer to the class. Okay. You are a late comer to the class. Now, I'm taking a class for you guys, and you are all there in the class except for you who's watching this video. Okay, I mean, if everyone are watching the video together, then that's a problem. Let's say, let's take one person who's watching the video. Okay, so you are going to come late to the class. Okay, I'll name you John Doe. Okay, John Doe. So let's say Mr. John doesn't come, Mr. or Miss John, I don't know, doesn't come at the proper time on Monday. Okay, and I'm here on Tuesday. I ask, where is John? And you all say, John is a bit late. And then I again say, I'll again ask on Wednesday, where is John? And you guys will be like, sir, John is going to be late. And Thursday again, John is late. Friday, I just come and ask you guys. Okay, John is definitely not there in the class. But I'll ask you guys, where is John? Okay, and then you'll be like, sir, he's probably going to be late today. For sure. Okay, you're going to say that. But how did you say that? How did you come up with such an a conclusion that you will be late? Because your subconscious mind just learned the pattern of him coming to the class every single day. Okay, and the pattern is not coming to the class on time, so he's going to be late. So that's exactly why you said that he's going to be late. So you saw what was happening in the past, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and you thought Friday same thing is going to happen, right? So what you just did is what data science is. Okay, so data here is nothing but him coming to the class, okay, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. Okay, and Friday he couldn't come, or he might come, who knows, right? He might come earlier also, who knows, right? But data science will help you give an analogy that you can try to guess something which might happen or might not happen, but you'll always be guessing something very closer to that. And yeah, just like how people said history repeats, right? Same thing, your past history might repeat again. Okay, until unless you take care of it. So there you go. That's data science. So data science is nice. Okay, I understood through this example what is data science. But what actually is data science that we need to be learning right now? Okay, so data science, as you might know, it's a science-related field. Okay, there are several concepts that you'll have to study that include statistics, maths, and as well as for Python programming, SQL. There are a lot of things. But I'll tell you a deep understanding. Okay, so the moment you start with having a data, okay, let's say in my hand there is an handful of rice. No, just kidding, not rice. Handful of, let's say, data. So I have a data. I need to first see how the data behave. That means When John didn't come on time, you definitely did understand that, data is something that might tell us a good insight, good analysis. Now, similarly, here a data might tell you a lot of things. Take an example of just, a company. Okay. A company who is doing advertisement and sales. Okay. If there is an increased advertisement, is there an increased sales? Or if there is an increased advertisement, is there a decrease in sales? So that's the studying part that we'll have to deal with data science. Okay. It tells you more about the data, and using that you can benefit in your business. Okay. So this data science was actually named by a guy called Peter Nor. Okay. Peter Nor during 1974, as you guys can see here. Okay. He proposed the name of data science to be an alternative name for computer science. That means anything that exists in computer science is because of data science. I mean, people started studying data, computer science came out of nowhere. Okay, so great. So it involves math, statistics, programming, and domain expertise. Three things, as I've mentioned here. Okay, statistics, programming, and domain expertise. Statistics, programming is fine. What is domain expertise? What does it mean? So domain expertise means in any domain or in any field that you're planning to do data science, that field you need to understand. If you're doing data science on e-commerce, okay, business, you need to know how e-commerce works, right? If you are doing data science on health related data, you need to know all those health related data. You should know what is ECG, you should know what are all those things. That's your domain expertise. Okay, so it involves a lot of things, like how I have mentioned here. It is a combination of maths, machine learning, computer science, because it has Python programming, data processing, and domain expertise, and statistics for sure. Okay, so let's go in depth and understand a bit more about, you know, data science. Okay, let's see. So, okay, this is nice that I had mentioned about Netflix, right? So they save a lot of amount just per year by just giving the recommendation. So first of all, what is recommendation, right? And okay, forget about recommendation. Let's say, what is weather forecasting? How come people can predict what weather it could be tomorrow and day after tomorrow and a month later? How? Example. Same thing like we did. It's all about data. Okay. So that's where data science comes into picture. Okay. This, I'll tell you, this is called as a recommendation system. Okay. It means that if there is a very simple mathematical thing called cosine similarity, okay, that just gives a similarity between two objects that you take. Okay, if you take those two objects, how similar these two objects are. Okay, similarly, if I take, let's say I take myself and you, okay, and I'll watch some several movies, you watch some movies, okay, and if we both are almost similar, okay, almost similar in terms of mentality. I also like, let's say, horror movies. You also like horror movies, right? Then we both are paired with a number. Okay. That number will tell us that if I watch a next movie of horror, that movie will be recommended to you. That's called recommendation system. We'll learn more about it by doing a project in the data science course that we're going to do. Okay. But now we'll just pause that. Okay. Now we'll go to the further things. That is ChatGPT, right? Now, so how exactly ChatGPT knows what to answer, what not to answer? Okay, I mean, ChatGPT knows almost everything about the data that exists before 2023. For the new model, it's 2024 July, if I'm not wrong. Okay, how does it know, bro? Like how? It's because of data science. Okay, isn't that exciting? Isn't that exciting for you guys? So we'll be learning all these things in the course. Okay, in depth. Okay, overall. So now we'll move further. And what is the one common thing that these three examples have? That is Netflix, weather forecasting, and ChatGPT. It has data science. Okay, so data science is there in most of the domain that we explored. Okay, if you go to health domain, we have data. If you go to finance domain, we have data. If you go to space, right, meteors, a lot of other things, we have data. We have data every single where. I mean, every single place. I just the let's say I just take a screenshot, or let's say I take a selfie of myself. Okay, done. Is that a data? It is a data. And if I say, yesterday I just had oats for breakfast without milk, it tasted ugly. Okay, is that a data? It is, because any information that you are getting is a form of data. Okay, and the study of those data is nothing but data science. That's it. Okay, so I know you guys are all pumped up to see to learn more about data science for sure. Okay, we'll definitely do that. Now, if you are someone, okay, so who is starting with data science and you're confused, what are the things that it will have? What do you think it will have, right? Will it have statistics, math, programming? You said, okay. What is the entire thing it can combine? So let's see that, okay. That involves this roadmap. So if you are someone who is going to start with data science, you should always start with these two. Okay, but I've put it in a different way in math. It's totally fine. Okay, so you are supposed to start with Python. Okay, because Python is just a way that you can talk to computer. Okay, and you can tell your computer that, hey bro, listen, see, I'm going to give you data. Okay, just understand the data, do some kind of jugaad and get me this. That's all. Okay, that's what you're going to communicate with your computer, but more in a programming way. That's all. To do that, you need Python. Okay, because humans are not capable of handling large amount of data. It takes a lot of time, right? But computer doesn't. Computer take a very less amount of time if you have right tools, right? That's why we use computer. And to make computer do things, you have to talk to it. How do you talk? You use Python. Okay, that's it. So you use Python and you speak, and let's say SQL. SQL is the second thing that you need to learn, because SQL is nothing but, it's a programming language again. It's a language, but it deals with data extraction. That means, let's say, bro, you are running a company. Okay, you're running a company. You are getting a lot of data every single day. You don't have space in your laptop to store all the data. You need to store it in a place. Okay, and that's where database comes. So to store it in a proper way, you need database, and to get data from database, you need SQL. Okay, the next thing is statistics. Bro, statistics is it's in every single place. Okay, the reason why statistics is preferred is because if you speak in terms of numbers, okay, these many number of data, these many people are there in Karnataka or in Telangana, right? So if you speak numbers, statistics is the better way to deal with it. Okay, the third one is data manipulation, and then data visualization. Data visualization is because you need to showcase your data, no, to people, right? Through graph. You don't actually put some data just on the sheet and then say, see bro, this is how the data looks. No, you need to actually show them the data in a graphical way so that they will understand even more better, right? Now I've shown you this destination map. Now you can understand without even looking for long. You don't need 5 minutes. You would just need 2 minutes to understand. Oh, I need to start from here and I just need to go here. Destination reached. Right? That's how you need to do it. So, and then machine learning, deep learning, and AI. These two are very important in data science. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is where you will predict the sales or weather or anything for the next month, next day, next second also. Okay. See how amazing data science is. The moment you just say you can predict things, it's going to take you to places. Okay. People actually do that every single day. Okay. I do that, bro. For my company, I used to literally take lots of data and I wanted to predict if these people are going to pay loan or not. That might sound not so proper, but yeah, we do that. Okay. And if you are one who is going to take a loan, we'll always predict if you're going to pay in a proper time or not. If not, we'll give you offers. You can pay in installment. In that way, we'll get more amount. See how sales, how business comes in data science? Crazy. So now, after this, you'll be reaching the destination. That's the end of data science. No, I can't say that's the end of data science. Data science is still evolving. You'll have a lot of things that you can learn in the way, but this is what you need to learn in overall so that you will be almost perfect. in data science with good amount of practice. Okay, great guys. So this is the roadmap that you need to follow. And the next thing is this question I had every single time. Okay, because I'm from a non-technical guy, and I see most of you are also non-technical guys, right? But trust me, guys, if you are a non-technical person, your time is saved in data science. Okay, don't take it in a wrong way. I mean, like, most of the people will think, oh, it says Python and SQL. No, I can't do that. No, trust me, you can do that. You can always do that because that's the easiest part. But the difficult part is statistics and maths. If you know that, you are you are just unstoppable, bro. You're just unstoppable. Okay. So all you just need is to start with Python, SQL, statistics, and a little bit of math. If you know that, you will know how to put logic in the data. That's all. If you know how to put logic, data science is there in your hand, in your brain. Okay, you can just utilize that for any good purpose. Okay, so you don't have to worry if you're a non-technical person. You can always be a topper, just like me. Okay, so the next part is job opportunities. So one of the very most interesting thing that people always look when they are taking a course is what is the job opportunity. Will I get a job or not? Is something that people will see, right? You will definitely get a job. I mean, you look at you, you are genius, right? So how do you get a job if you are taking data science? Okay. So data science has several scope, okay, and it is one of the high paying job as well. Okay, people get one of my friend got 96 LPA in Microsoft, and one of the other friend got around like 45 LPA, and few of my friends have got around 10 LPA, 12 LPA. So I know the range where data science can fix you. If you are, especially in India, your starting pay salary would be 7 LPA. Okay, don't feel bad. 7 LPA is good. You start from 7 LPA, let's say, okay. But if you are going into product based company rather than service based, there are two types: service based, product based. Okay, service based is completely of giving you services. Okay, product is where you're giving product, actual product. You are building a EV vehicle, you are building Tesla. Okay, you are building, let's say, loan is a product that you're going to give. Let's say there are a lot of products that you can give. Power BI, Tableau, all these things are product that Microsoft give. So once people are selling their product, they're earning more in terms of that. So they are able to give you more amount as well. So service based company will pay you a little bit less, but product based company will definitely pay you good. Okay. So there are many several opportunities in data science that comes up. Okay, that involves data scientist as me, business analyst, data analyst. There are a lot of things that you can see. Okay, yeah. So you can definitely get into it. And one of the things that I would like to say before I end it is, uh, my life changed when I started studying data science. Okay, I was completely dumb. Okay, dumb, creepy guy. But the moment I started applying my statistics and maths from non-technical thing to the technical thing, I understood how actually people build things to this society. Okay, and the moment you start building things on your own, you will go unstoppable. Okay, you will reach heights in your life that people has to tell you, bro, niche aa jao. No, right? People tell you that, okay, you will fly away. So I want such type of enthusiastic people from you. Okay, so I hope you guys can be one of such enthusiastic people. I hope you guys can build something one day if you know all these things. Okay, great guys. So with this, I'll end the class right now. And thank you so much for being so calm and listening to the video. And yeah, for more videos like this, you'll have to join the course from Konidina Classroom. Okay, I'll be happy to help you out with everything regarding data science. Okay, so cool then. See you. Bye bye.